Good morning, everybody. Today is a bisque day, so let's see how it came out. I'm going to say something about this. You can read it, right?
Yeah, I'm forever with you.
I'm forever with you. Good. So this kiln bisque, I did it for 980 degrees, and I will show you the reason. I actually wanted this whole kiln to be 1240, but I had to not do it because in a week from now I need to make some corrections. I mean, I didn't mind doing it. I will tell you what happens in a week. You see, what do you think? Maybe I should do it without the black.
Maybe.
I don't know.
Or useless.
It's, I don't like it. It's like it's smeared. It's like it's not. I mean, some of them are good, but you see here, you see the black. I mean, now what I can do, I can actually sandpaper it, and you will not see it. But my goal was to make one, because I don't want to put any glazing on top. So my goal was to make it 1240 degrees, and that's it. This looks like somebody was stoned. Did it? Oh, what do you think about that?
That's the garlic grater.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna fire it again, of course, to the temperature that I want to. It's gonna come up to 1240 eventually. Yeah, you see? I worked on it so hard. But I will fix it. Maybe it's a good... You see here? This came out perfect.
Yeah.
Some of them are perfect and some of them are not. Well, I'll see. Okay, maybe I'll put it here so I will not get a heart attack. What? The humidity is what? 80%? I'm sweating. Next week there's going to be a show, pottery show in Cyprus, in Ayia Napa, and many artists will go there. Potters, they will go there and they will show their stuff, and they will do like workshops. One of the workshops that I'm gonna do with a dear friend, his name is Nikos, and he makes unbelievable stuff. He's going to make raku. So for the raku, I had to fire it for it's a special clay, and I had to fire it in low temperature. So
You didn't say anything about this.
Oh, I was very excited about the workshop. Anyway, so this, I don't know if you can, this is going to be a toothbrush head holder, where you put the here, here, and here. Nice?
Yep.
Nice idea. And you'll see it's going to work because you had some things to say about it. This is a new student of mine made. She's really good.
Very beautiful.
Yes. I think she's going to like it. She's coming on Wednesday. Oh my God, I'm sweating. This is a stick for the, you know, when you roll your weed. Ding, 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 ding.
Rolling.
Yes. So when I'm gonna open my
It's a
Etsy shop.
weed wand.
Weed wand. Oh, good. Can you tell how sweaty I am? I'm dripping. My God, I can't take it anymore, this weather. I waited for the summer to come, and now I can't wait for the winter to come. Wait, maybe I'll collect my hair. Anyway, so let's continue before I die here. That's another toothbrush head holder. You see?
Yep.
I wanted to think of something special, something that nobody has. So that was. Ah, look at that! This is beautiful. Weed for all, my friends. And that's another one. Oh, here I don't have the flower, the leaf, the weed leaf.
It's a different clay, no? It's more
Yes,
groggy.
that's gonna be the brown.
Mm.
When it goes up, it's gonna be the brown one that I love so much. And I'm not gonna put any glazing on top. Okay, so I wanted to take this. This is the raku clay. I wanted to take it, but he said it would be too big, so I'm gonna. He invited me to do
What, the bowl?
the ball.
Mm.
He invited me to come to do a raku workshop with him at his
Nikos.
Nikos, at his workshop. Anyway,
Ashtray?
yes, I was looking for the word. Oh my god, I can't think. Okay, let's put it here. Okay, this it's an experiment that I decided to do. Like if somebody orders, then the wedding ring plate, then I will write his name, but the writing came out not so beautiful. When it's not beautiful, I have to admit, I need to admit with myself. This is also for toothbrush head holders. You put the toothbrush head here. What do you guys think? Cute, hey? Yeah. I like it. Let's continue. Okay, so this is gonna go for the workshop, the raku workshop, and this is gonna go for the raku workshop. And we'll see how that's gonna. It's groggy. Wow. Yeah. Make it on the wheel. It was not easy. Even though he told me, oh no, Maya, it's a 0.2. It's a 0.2. It's not bad. I was like, oh my god. For him, he can do anything. That's another one, another trial. Of course, I have to sandpaper it. I don't like it. I like the print, but I don't like the black. I mean, I wish it could come out perfect, but it's not. All right, grinder 1. I actually put this on my logo because I thought that my logo looks nice, and I couldn't put it on the bottom, so I said I'm just gonna leave it like that. Oh, these are stamps that I made. We'll see how they're gonna come out, how they're gonna work, if they're gonna work the way I want them to work.
What do you mean stamp? You're gonna use the
instead of like using the leaf like here. Instead of using it like that, I can stamp in it. Yes, another one. That's the how do you call matcha. That's a matcha, but I don't like doing it because I'm not sure that I'm doing it right. But I said, what the heck, I'm just gonna leave it because I thought it's nice. It came out beautiful.
Yeah.
But I'm not sure that this is the point of the. Some of them look different. I looked it up on the internet and they looked at it. This is going to be the brown. Wow. I can't wait to do the
second firing.
The second firing. Yeah, to see how it's going to come out. And that's another bowl. I'm going to raku it. And I know how I want
But he told you it was too big, no?
Yeah, but I will take it to his workshop and I will make it there with him. He said he will invite me one day. So, that's it, guys. I'm sweating. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. You can make comments, share. Thank you. See you from Cyprus. Bye.